Bone broth has become very popular recently, especially among health-conscious individuals. This is because it's believed to have many health benefits. Bone broth is made by simmering the bones and connective tissue of animals. This highly nutritious stock is commonly used in soups, sauces, and gravies. It has also recently gained popularity as a health drink. 1. It contains many important vitamins and minerals. In general, bone broth is very nutritious. Animal bones are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and other trace minerals. The same minerals needed to build and strengthen your own bones. Connective tissues give you glucosamine and chondroitin, natural compounds found in cartilage that are known to support joint health. Marrow provides vitamin A, vitamin K2, minerals like zinc, iron, boron, manganese, and selenium, as well as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. 2. It may benefit the digestive system. Not only is bone broth easy to digest, but it may also aid in the digestion of other food. The gelatin found in bone broth naturally attracts and holds liquids. This is why properly prepared broth congeals in the fridge. Gelatin can also bind to water in your digestive tract, which helps food move through your gut more easily. 3. It may help fight inflammation. The amino acids found in bone broth, including glycine and arginine, have strong anti-inflammatory effects. While some inflammation is necessary, chronic inflammation may lead to a number of serious diseases. These include heart disease, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, and many types of cancer. Because of this, it's important to eat plenty of anti-inflammatory foods. 4. Its nutrients have been shown to improve joint health. Collagen is the main protein found in bones, tendons, and ligaments. During the cooking process, collagen from bones and connective tissue is broken down into another protein called gelatin. Gelatin contains important amino acids that support joint health. It contains proline and glycine, which your body uses to build its own connective tissue. This includes tendons, which connect muscles to bones, and ligaments, which connect bones to each other. 5. It is weight loss friendly. Bone broth is typically very low in calories, but it can still satisfy hunger. Studies have found that eating soup on a regular basis can increase feelings of fullness and may be associated with decreased body weight and belly fat. What's more, bone broth is high in protein, which may help improve appetite control, increase weight loss, and maintain lean muscle mass. 6. It may improve sleep and brain function. The amino acid glycine found in bone broth may help you relax. Multiple studies have found that glycine helps promote sleep. One study found that taking 3 grams of glycine before bed significantly improved the quality of sleep in individuals who have difficulty sleeping. Taking glycine before bed helped participants fall asleep faster, maintain a deeper sleep, wake up fewer times throughout the night. Instead of throwing leftover bones and carcasses from meals in the garbage, save them to make broth. You can collect the bones in a bag and store them in your freezer until you are ready to cook them.